بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم۔ آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں ہمارا چینل کوالیفائڈ ایجوکیشن اکیڈمی۔ لیکچر ایجوکیشن کی تیاری کے حوالے سے ایک بہت ہی امپورٹنٹ بک کیپسول ایجوکیشن بائی ایمن سوری کو ہم اسٹڈی کر رہے ہیں، جس کا فرسٹ چیپٹر کمپلیٹ ہو چکا ہے۔ سیکنڈ چیپٹر کا یہ سیکنڈ ہاف ہے۔ لیکچر ایجوکیشن کے پیپرز کے حوالے سے یہ بک بہت زیادہ امپورٹنٹ ہے، کیونکہ پیپرز میں اس بک میں سے تقریباً 50% جو ہے وہ کانٹینٹ شامل کیا جاتا ہے، تو اس لیے اس بک کو اسٹڈی کرنا آپ کے لیے بہت زیادہ ضروری ہے۔ اگر آپ چینل پر نئے ہیں تو چینل کو سبسکرائب کر دیں، ویڈیو پسند آئے تو ویڈیو کو لائک کریں، شیئر کریں اور بیل آئیکن کو پریس کر دیں تاکہ ہماری تمام ویڈیوز آپ تک ٹائم ٹو ٹائم پہنچتی رہیں اور ان کا نوٹیفیکیشن آپ تک پہنچ سکے۔ تو چلیے اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں ہماری آج کی ویڈیو۔ ایوری اسٹیپ آف پرسنالٹی ڈیولپمنٹ از کریٹو۔ Education always depends on the life philosophy of society. The process of education ranges from birth to death. Difference in general intellectual capacity must include a consideration of these so-called higher mental processes, although exactly what these are has not been fully agreed upon by psychologists. Interest in the interpretation of intelligence and in construction tests for the measurement of intelligence can high during the first quarter of the 20th century. So varied were the concept of intelligence as these were started by psychologists working in this field that are symposium کہتے ہیں ایک مباحثہ. Symposium was held in 1920 as an attempt to reach agreement concerning about intelligence really is. German American psychologists introduced the Binet test for general use in differentiating between degrees of brightness and dullness. Brightness اور dullness یعنی bright students اور dull students کو differentiate کرنے کے لیے Binet test introduce کروایا تھا ٹرمن، جو کہ ایک امریکن سائیکولوجسٹ تھے انہوں نے۔ An empirical interpretation of intelligence is contained in Thorndike's concept of it as the power of good response from the point of view of truth or fact. Thorndike further emphasized three aspects of intelligence. The elements or actions that are evidence of learning ability include facility in the use of numbers, language, efficiency, speed of perception, facility in memorizing, facility in comprehending relations, and imaginations. Development causes different changes, both positive and negative. Maturation refers to the stage of the development when an organism starts performing instinctive function. یعنی جب ایک انڈیویژول instinctive functions perform کرنے لگتا ہے تو وہ maturity کے لیول تک پہنچ جاتا ہے۔ According to Spearman, an English statistician, intelligence consists of general ability that works in conjunction with special ability. Spearman نے 2 factor theory دی تھی انٹیلیجنس کی، جس کے مطابق انٹیلیجنس جو ہے 2 طرح کی ایبلٹیز سے مل کے بنتی ہے، ایک ہوتی ہے جنرل ایبلٹی اور دوسری اسپیشل ایبلٹی۔ Language tests such as those commonly used in attempts at measuring the intelligence of children deal mainly with abstract intelligence. Give me a child and I will move him as you desire. This was said by Watson. J.B. Watson جنہوں نے behaviorism دی تھی، behaviorism کے یہ فاؤنڈر کہلاتے ہیں، تو انہوں نے یہ بات کہی تھی give me a child and I will move him as you desire. An individual is the product of interaction between heredity and environment. The surroundings of the individual are called his environment. It is much more defensible to say that a person acts intelligently than to say that he has intelligence. The term intelligent behavior is a description of behavior under certain conditions. We can generally agree on what behavior is intelligent, even though we might never agree about the existence of some mysterious intelligence within the individual. In order to accept the conclusion of those research workers who tend to place considerable emphasis upon the inheritance factor, one would need to know a great deal more concerning the possible effect upon behavior of environmental conditions and influences. If an individual is to engage in activity involving the higher intellectual process, the constitutional capacity to do so must be present. If an individual is to engage in activities involving the higher intellectual processes, the constitutional capacity to do so must be present. Rate and limits of development tend to follow a constant pattern, that is, the slower the maturational rate is, the sooner its limit to reached. Mental defect usually is more easily discovered during childhood than in mental دین از مینٹل سپیریورٹی. یعنی مینٹل ڈیفیکٹ جو ہے وہ چائلڈہڈ میں زیادہ آسانی سے ڈسکوریبل ہوتا ہے بجائے مینٹل سپیریورٹی کے. مینٹل سپیریورٹی اتنی جلدی ڈسکور نہیں ہوتی جتنی کہ مینٹل ڈیفیکٹ چائلڈہڈ میں پتہ چل جاتا ہے. Regardless of the inherited capacities of the child, the environmental influence by which he is surrounded and which act as stimulating forces of intellectual activity also need to be of the best. A child may be born with a high degree of potential ability to act intelligently, but unless he is stimulated through learning to exercise that capacity, he may appear to be relatively dull or retarded. The significant effect of environment and manifested after the birth of child. Learning of culture and language is a process associated with environment. Studies have been made concerning the effect of nursery school and kindergarten attendance upon the mental ability of young children. Investigations have been conducted to discover the effect of enriched school offerings upon the intelligence of elementary school children. Testing techniques are not yet sufficiently perfected, and the problems involved in determining the effect of environment upon intelligence still are so complicated that it is difficult to arrive at any specific or definite conclusion in the matter. On the average, the growth of the mental ability of an individual is fairly regular in rate, and the degree of intelligence from age period to age period is relatively constant. University of Oxford formal founding date is 1096. This institute developed rapidly from 1167 when Henry II banned English students from attending the University of Paris. University of University of Montpellier, located in Montpellier, France. This university also is considerably older than its founding date of 1150. A papal bull issued by Pope Nicholas IV in 1289 combined all long existing schools into one main university. University of Cambridge, known as the second oldest university in the English-speaking world. This university has formed by scholars who left the University of Oxford over a dispute in 1209. Out of various body organs and change in their mutual interaction is called development. In case of physical growth, the rate is more rapid during the early years and then level off gradually until intellectual maturity is reached. In general, growth in intelligence continues at a more rapid rate and reaches a greater height for the bright than for the great mass of individuals considered average or normal. The growth rate of the slow or retarded and feeble-minded progresses more slowly and reaches its limit sooner and at a lower level than do the other. Contrary to popular opinion, boys and girls tend to show little if any difference in intelligence as measured by test of mental ability. Home conditions, degree of interest, emotional attitude, health, and other factors may affect individual success during the taking of an intelligence test or in learning achievement. It is a recognized fact that demonstrated achievement in school learning does not always parallel degree of intelligence as determined by the administration of intelligence test. The results of all tests may be affected by many factors inherent in the testing conditions, the child's background of experience, and other favorable or unfavorable elements. Allama Iqbal's shrine is located in the Lahore. Reconstruction of religious thought in Islam was written by Allama Iqbal और ये कब लिखी गई थी? ये 1930 में लिखी गई थी. According to Allama Iqbal, in which form of government heads are counted democracy? Allama Iqbal was born at Sialkot. Allama Iqbal was given the title of Sir in 1923. After the 20 years of his death, which university honored Allama Iqbal the degree of doctorate? Tao University. और ये जो इन्हें डिग्री दी गई थी डॉक्टरेट की 1958 में दी गई थी. Where the Tao University is located, Japan. According to Allama Iqbal, selfhood and will are the realities of the universe. According to Allama Iqbal, man is the supreme creation of the creator of the universe. The famous concept of selfhood, khudi, is launched by the Muslim thinker Allama Iqbal. The concept of Mard-e-Momin, true believer, associated with Allama Iqbal. Death is the first step by which the stability of selfhood is ascertained. Who hold that? Allama Iqbal. Bale Jibril and Bangedara are authored by Allama Iqbal. The basic qualification for admission in a medical college is FSc. The Fatma Jinnah Medical College is situated in Lahore. The industrial progress of a country requires engineering education. According to Iqbal, what are the teaching methods or effective instruction for teacher? The involuntary movement causes the children to groan. The child's span of attention is rather short. Every child wishes to touch the object. In Pakistan society, preference will be given to education and training of the individual. The concept of Khudi is found in the writings of Allama Iqbal. The most credible source of knowledge in Islam is revelation. As per Islam, the ultimate reality can be accessed through revelation. The world leadership depends on knowledge and technology. Allama Iqbal earned his PhD degree in Munich University, Germany. In 1899, Allama Iqbal did his MA examination, mentioned the subject in which he did MA. फिलोसफी यानी फिलोसफी के सब्जेक्ट में उन्होंने एमए किया था. During his MA philosophy, Allama Iqbal met a very famous professor named him Professor Arnold. In 1905, Allama Iqbal went to England for higher education. In which institution of England he got education? Trinity College, Cambridge. From cultural point of view, the aim of education is to make the individual aware of his or her rights and duties, to promote political understanding and create a sense of unity of mankind. A balanced society can be established by means of education. A global human society must be free of all prejudices. The colleges of education are concerned with teacher training. In order to get admission in M.Ed program, B.Ed is the basic requirement. The duration of B.S. aid program is 3 years. The field of composing and designing largely depends on computer. It presents the public sector's role in Pakistan education. At present, the public sector role in Pakistan education is to provide services at different levels of education. Number 2 is to set up educational institutions. Number 3 is to establish examination, curriculum and textbook codes at all levels and to establish training institutions. The private sector is playing a role in setting up educational institutions at all levels, teacher training, funding research, providing quality education, particularly in the form of foreign degrees that the state will not offer. The most important element of education system is aim of education. Human beings vary in aptitude, interest and abilities. The world has become a global village mainly because of internet. Who was the father of Shah Waliullah? Shah Abdul Rahim. Shah Waliullah was born in the city Delhi. Who wrote the book Hijatul Baligha? Shah Waliullah. Who wrote Fazul Kabir? Shah Waliullah. Who wrote Tafhimat-e Ilahiyya? Shah Waliullah. According to the Shah Waliullah, the method of instructing the textbook are that number 1 is the teacher should mention the noticeable points to the students. Teacher should explain the difficult concepts of the students. Teacher should ask to the students to repeat orally the lessons which are given by teacher. Hajjatul Baligha is authored by Shah Waliullah. Allama Iqbal was tutored by Maulvi Sayyid Mir Hassan. Dr. Iqbal rejected Western ideal of nationalism. Under the Millennium Development Goals and the Education for All Dhakar framework, Pakistan must reach universal primary education by 2015. Early childhood education is the term frequently applied to education of young children from the birth through age 8. Pakistan has set a target of establishing 42500 ECE centers in the country. ECE, Early Childhood Education. The HEC has declared the following as its core strategies in HEC क्या है? Higher Education Commission. इन्होंने क्या इनके strategic aims हैं? Number 1 is faculty development, improving access, promoting excellence in learning and research, relevance to the economy, developing leadership, governance and management, enhancing quality, physical and technological infrastructure development. In an education system, the aims of education is the soul of education system. Education system की soul क्या है? Education system के अंदर जो aims of education है ये as a soul काम करते हैं. The real foundation head of knowledge is revelation. Man is a social animal is said by Aristotle. In Pakistan, the levels of general education are 3 levels. Evaluation is whirling process. Educational evaluation is a process by which a teacher and a student can assess their performance. Measurement is a quantitative and standardized aspect of evaluation. Evaluation का ही एक पार्ट है measurement. Measurement जो scoring करना होती है पेपर की टेस्ट की, वो क्वांटिटेटिव फॉर्म में होती है, तो इसलिए ये क्वांटिटेटिव फॉर्म होती है. Measurement is a quantitative and standardized aspect of evaluation. In 1968, the Cultural Revolution, commonly known as the French May, resulted in the closing of the University of Paris for only the third time in history. University of Salamanca, located in Salamanca, Spain, this school was established in 1218 and obtained the title of university by Alexander Forbes Papal Bull in 1225. यानी अपनी establishment के 7 साल के बाद से यूनिवर्सिटी का दर्जा दे दिया गया था, टाइटल मिल गया था. यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ Padua is the second oldest university in Italy, falling behind the University of Bologna. This university was founded in 1222. When a group of students and professors left the University of Bologna in search for more academic freedom, which is a conduct by which a teacher assesses the level of understanding, interest, and attention of the children. Assessment. Name the book that wrote for royal guidance and was made for Ghiyasuddin Abu Salha Muhammad, son of his patron Malik Shah. Tibrul Masbook. Renaissance of Science was written by Ghazali. Renaissance of Science का मतलब है regeneration of science. Tafsir al-Yaqut al-Tawil was written by Ghazali. Kimya Sadat was written by al-Ghazali. Which of the following is transmitted through education, information, facts, and civilization? The origin of the idea of chance in children is written by Jean Piaget. Intelligence and effectivity, their relationship during child development, is written by Jean Piaget. Studies in reflecting abstraction is written by Jean Piaget. The word curriculum is derived from Latin. The word curriculum is derived from karib. Word karib means run. In the educational literature of the Arabs, which of the following stands for curriculum? Minhaj, यानी curriculum की जगह पे minhaj का जो लफ्ज़ था इस्तेमाल किया जाता था. What is curriculum? An educational course of action, a written educational plan. Who said curriculum is the sum of the educational experiences that children have in school? H. Hobart, Beck, and W. Wallercook. Who said curriculum is that sense of things which children and youth must do and experience by way of developing abilities to do things well that make up the affairs of adults' life and to be in respect what adults should be? F. Bobbitt. Who said curriculum as the sum total of students' activities which the school sponsors for the purpose of achieving its objectives? Albert E. and Albert A. and Albert E. Who said the element of curriculum are the goals, objectives, content, process, resource and means of evaluation? लॉटन डी. ये करिकुलम के ये जो 4 एलिमेंट्स हैं ये लॉटन डी ने दिए थे. Goals, objectives are the goals, objectives, content, processes, resources and means of evaluation. Main object of curriculum are help in the acquisition of aims of education, trains the students, leads to the destination of life. Curriculum plays a vital role in attaining the aims and objectives of education. The curriculum and co-curricular trends in our institution, that is a course of studies called curriculum. The methodology, teaching, including teaching aids and evaluation method, are the objectives of education. Each board either commission a panel of authors for writing the manuscript or invites the manuscripts through open competitions. The first responsibility of the school staff is to formulate the purposes of the school hopes to serve in the lives of children. There were 40 colleges in Pakistan at the time of partition in 1947. Partition के टाइम पे सिर्फ 40 कॉलेजेस थे पाकिस्तान में. There were 2 universities in Pakistan at the time of partition in 1947. किसी जगह पे ये एक भी है पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी और किसी जगह पे ये 2 यूनिवर्सिटीज भी कही गई हैं पाकिस्तान में. Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of Britain who had a working for Bengali and Urdu, which curriculum is usually caught between the changing demands of progress and the inertia of tradition. School curriculum. Planning is essential that the objectives of school be determined clearly as a logical prerequisite to intelligent curriculum. Which curriculum has been in a state of flux all over the world education curriculum. Education is a threefold process of imparting knowledge, developing skills, and inculcating proper interest, attitude, and values, which is the national language of Pakistan, Urdu. The curriculum cannot be separated from teaching methodology. When Charles Plant raised his voice to make English a supreme language of administration to develop better understanding between the rulers and the ruled, 1792, who said that a single shelf of a good European library was worth the whole native literature of India and Arabia, Lord Macaulay. When the Indian Education Commission found the curriculum of schools too academic, narrow, college preparatory, and examination ridden, 1882, the manuscript are edited by the provincial textbook boards and sent to the Federal Ministry of Education for seeking approval for their publication. At the secondary stage, diversification takes place at the students opt for either science group, general group. Diversification है कि बच्चों का साइंस ग्रुप या आर्ट्स ग्रुप में से किसी एक ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करना. डाइवर्सिफिकेशन जो है वो इसी चीज का नाम है. The writing and the publishing of textbooks is the responsibility of the provincial textbook board. The curriculum should utilize both long run and day-to-day planning in order to provide up-to-date information and data regarding various aspects of education, who established a Central Bureau of Education, Ministry of Education. In provinces, Education Bureau were attached to the Education Department. When the pattern of curriculum which is being followed today in our universities was proposed by the Calcutta University Commission in 1919, which education was separated from the universities and boards of intermediate and secondary education were established. Intermediate education. In case of federal universities, who is the Chancellor, President, which additional facilities were provided to the universities to strengthen their teaching program? Physical education for education's sake is as prayers. School administrators and teachers as well as community health agencies recognize the importance of the physical aspect of education. In a case of severe pupil maladjustment, the home and community influences to which the child has been exposed should be examined carefully. Which of these is a complex activity learning to read? Education influences the whole personality of the student. Before the outcomes of general or specific learning experience can be evaluated there must be a clear understanding of the objectives which are to be realized through instruction. The techniques of evaluation must be so constructed that they yield adequate measures of what has been learned. Several examples can be cited to illustrate what is meant by clearance and definiteness of objectives in instruction and evaluation. New conditions and technology can change and increase the experimental knowledge. Sensory data is interpreted by reason. For many generations, people progress was measured through the utilization of teacher-made and often subjectively marked examinations of the essay type, who was usually asked to describe, compare, discuss, evaluate, or produce exactly that which had been learned. Learner pupil performance varied in the interpretation of questions, and teacher evaluation gave evidence of difference among teachers in the interpretation of answers. Which technique must be free or relatively free of of the subjective elements of the more traditional types of examination that are almost certain to interfere reliable evaluation of learning process. तो इसका आंसर नेक्स्ट पेज पे दिया गया है, मेजरमेंट. आज तक के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इंशाल्लाह अगली वीडियो में कवर करेंगे हम. तब तक के लिए हमें इजाज़त दीजिए. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.